Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to understand a very important JavaScript concept. The difference between double equals and triple equals. A lot of beginners get confused here, and honestly, even experienced developers sometimes make mistakes with this. So let's break it down in a very simple way using real examples. As you can see, I have a simple HTML file here. In the script tag, I have written many console.log functions. Inside each function, we have an expression to evaluate. We are evaluating various things using the double equals and triple equals operators. The double equals operator evaluates only the values, whereas the triple equals operator evaluates the value as well as the data type. Now, I will write their outputs here itself, and then we will discuss how the output is evaluated. Okay, so see, I have written the outputs in the comments. Let's see them one by one. The first one is undefined double equals null. If you had seen my previous video, you would know that, in JavaScript, it is a hard and fast rule that the null and the undefined keywords are, by default, true when evaluated with the double equals operator. But when we use a triple equals operator, which evaluates the value as well as the data type of the two entities, then the output is false. Because the null is of null type, and the undefined is of undefined type. Their data types are different. Null and undefined are equal to each other only, and that too with the double equals to operator only. If we compare any other thing with null and undefined keywords, the result will always be false. Okay. Now we evaluate null with a string using the double equals and triple equals operators. As said earlier, if we compare null with anything other than undefined, the output will always be false. So both these expressions are false. Then, we compare the number 0 with a string using the double equals operator. This string has an escape sequence called new line, which is written by a /n. And we have a 0 here also. When the left-hand side of the expression is a number, then the string on the right-hand side gets converted into a number. While converting a string to a number, the escape sequence gets removed first. So what remains is a plain 0 number. So here, the expression becomes 0 double equals 0, which is obviously true. Next, here we compare a string 0 with a string using the double equals operator. This string has an escape sequence and a 0 also. The escape sequence stays in this case. Since string 0 is not the same as an escape sequence followed by a 0 and followed by another escape sequence, the output is false. Then, we compare number -0 with a string using the double equals operator. This string has an escape sequence, and we have a -0 also. When the left-hand side of the expression is a number, then the string on the right-hand side gets converted into a number. While converting a string to a number, the escape sequence gets removed first. So what remains is a plain -0 number. So here, the expression becomes -0 double equals -0, which is obviously true. Next, here we compare a string -0 with a string using the double equals operator. This string has an escape sequence and a 0 also. It is not a -0, mind it. The escape sequence stays in this case. Since string -0 is not the same as escape sequence followed by a 0 and followed by another escape sequence, the output is false. Next, here we compare a string -0 with a string with a normal 0 using the double equals operator. Since string -0 is not the same as a string with a normal 0, the output is false. Both the strings have to be exactly the same, otherwise the output will be false. And finally, we compare the number -0 with the number at normal 0. Here, the minus sign gets removed automatically, because a number -0 does not make any sense. 0 is just 0. So the expression is 0 double equals to 0, which is obviously true. That's it. They ask all this nonsense in the beginner's interview. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.